So there's the base layer, and there's nothing really special about it. It'll move around. There's nothing like abnormal about it. Now next is just coffee mate. Buy it at any kind of store, but it's colored white, so it layers out on top of the syrup. Now the next one is the vegetable oil that I added food coloring to make it red. It doesn't stay forever, but it stays red for a little while and then it kind of separates out. But it takes its little time to actually separate itself out. Yep, it's just vegetable oil and red food dye. But as you can see, it's not too difficult to get an average student or person as yeah, I guess the fact that you're presenting here means you're a little above average. But, you can see that it layers out. Now, talking with students, you can use these kind of demonstrations from anywhere from kids teaching them the density layers things to what I plan to do in the spring. I was coming up with the idea for these demos, and I thought, I know my students had a big trouble with trying to figure out what density applies to things. And then while talking about how the Earth layers out its layers and the different densities, I was like, well, this is a great way to give another visual cue to how density layers objects. So I just thought this is a nice little way to review some of the concepts and give it a cool demo form. Does anybody have any questions or anything? Yes?
The dye separated because maybe it's a water-based dye in your oil.
Yeah.
It's separated, maybe some kind of powder dye that might dissolve in your oil would separate once you put it in your cup.
One of the coolest things I saw is when you drop it in there, it's it's water-based, right. So it sinks to the bottom in little beads. And I was like, oh, that's so cool. Does anybody else have any other questions or anything? All right, thank you for your time.